In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you will be doing well. Let us learn phrasal verbs and prepositional verbs. Part 1, C. Meanings and use. Number 11 word is act out. Meaning: represent an action, express through action, perform, behave badly. Sentences: he can act out how people behave in tension. He could not say what he felt. He just acted it out. His friend acted out when his conspiracy was out. Number 12. Amount to. Meaning: be equal to or same as. Sentences: his curt reply amounted to disobedience. Their loss amounted to thousands of dollars. Number 13. Act up. Meaning: behave in unruly or unacceptable manner, to make show off, misbehave. Sentences: he acted up when we asked for help. Bad people act up when they get wealthy. Some children act up to get attention. Number 14. Avail of or avail oneself of. Meaning: get advantage of, utilize. Sentences: you should avail yourself of this opportunity. He can avail himself of the support offered by his rich friend. Number 15. Ask around. Meaning: ask different people. Sentences: I'll ask around how many people know the fact. He went on asking around people if they had seen his friend. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.